So I'm standing inside of a house that I am looking at to put in an offer. This house has been somewhat renovated. It's been on the market. It's been sitting on the market because it hasn't been fully renovated, right? As you can see, they've done some stuff, but I'm gonna be looking around and analyzing why it hasn't sold, because it's priced as if it was fully renovated, but it's just been sitting. So I'm gonna put in an offer and I'm just gonna do a walkthrough. And I've just got here and we'll see what it needs. So immediately walking in, I can already tell needs windows. That's one thing. Flooring is decent. So flooring was already done. Paint is already good, so that's good. Light fixture here is decent, but no, so that's gonna have to be redone. Light fixture here sucks. There's cat pee there, so that's probably scaring away buyers. But as you can see, this is somewhat decent. Right? It's nice. This is the kitchen, and you guys know kitchens sell houses. And so look at just this funky entrance, right? This is a closet here. So I don't know if this was a bedroom maybe, and they turned it into something else. But just like the way that you walk into the kitchen is weird. And so this is probably why the house isn't selling. They have this weird island type thing here on the side. Cabinets don't match. Countertops aren't granite. Appliances don't match. The flooring here is old. There's no backsplash, nothing. So this is probably one of the main reasons why the house hasn't sold. The kitchens and bathrooms sell the houses. And then this is like a bonus den area. And one of the things that you want to look for when you're seeing like weird additions and stuff like that is there ductwork? Is it considered heated and aired? And if you can see up here, they took some ductwork and they positioned it so that this room would be in the heated and air square footage. So that's good. There's like a little bonus room. I want to say this is kind of like the dining room, living room here, and these are where the bedrooms and bathrooms are. AC doesn't look brand new. So AC is from 2015 and it got serviced in 2020. This just does not look good to a retail buyer. Okay, the retail buyer is gonna see this closet. There's no door. They're gonna think the AC is old, outdated. There's a little junction box here. Doesn't look retail friendly. Gonna need a new AC. Oh shit, the bathroom's nice. Look at this bathroom. It's okay. It's not finished. I can work with this. I can work with this. This is not terrible. I would work with this bathroom. Put a nice mirror there, light fixtures. So we can work with that bathroom, that's good. So 1, 2, 3, so 3 bedroom. So this would be the master bedroom. Bigger closet, so that's decent, probably bigger than the other rooms. And then there's a half bath here. So that's probably another thing that's kind of hurting it is this doesn't look the cleanest. Doesn't have a full bathroom in the master suite, which will hurt your ARV. Okay, so you have to calculate that also. So that's gonna have to be kind of redone in a way. I would put a new vanity there to make there feel like there's more room. Obviously the whole house is gonna need new windows. Light fixtures suck. Definitely went cheap on the light fixtures. So every room has ductwork, has vents, which is good. One thing that I'm not seeing is the electrical panel. Let's see if there's like a utility closet or something. All right. So this also hasn't been redone. This is not bad. Pretty sure this is 200 amps. Yep, 200 amps on the main disconnect, so that's good. So electrical is decent. The panel's decent. Doesn't look like it's been redone anytime soon. So a lot of times these houses will have like cloth wiring or aluminum wiring. So a lot of times when these plates are open, it's really good. So this house, I think, has copper wiring. Yeah. We'll probably have to have a lot of it rewired, if not completely rewired, which sucks. But when you get a home inspection on your retail buyer, the home inspector is gonna point out cloth wiring, and you're gonna have to redo that for your retail buyer. So as I'm walking in, I'm seeing why this house is sitting. It's because a retail buyer is not gonna want to buy this, okay? Especially in today's market, you have to have a way better product to sell your house top dollar. Maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, this thing probably would have flown off the market as is. Now that's not the case. You have to really put in the love into a house because these retail buyers now have options. There's a little bit more inventory creeping up. House payments, interest rates are making houses less affordable. So if somebody's gonna buy something, they're gonna want a nice product. They're not gonna wanna have a big monthly payment and have to put in another 15 grand into the house that they're buying. You can't have something like this on the market, priced retail, expecting it to sell. I'm definitely gonna put in an offer, definitely interested. I'm gonna get back to the office, re-watch this. I'm gonna be taking pictures to reanalyze with my contractors, and then we'll just go over numbers like electrical wiring, kitchen. The kitchen is the weirdest part, so I'm gonna have to talk to my contractor about how we figure out the entrance. What's gonna make this house sell is, I don't even know if we could open this up. I don't think so. Stay tuned for more.